Hi readers! Today our learning target is I can decide on my daily reading intentions. Let's check and see if we're ready to learn. Am I ready to learn? I have all my supplies. I'm sitting next to my reading partner. I am facing forward. My hands are free. My mouth is quiet. I am ready. Give me a thumb up if you are ready to go. Alright, so as I said before, our learning target is that we're going to decide on our daily reading intentions. And what that means, what intentions really just means, is what are you going to do during the day? What is your purpose going to be as you go back and read? And we're going to really focus on that and really be purposeful in choosing what we're going to do back at our seats. To do that, we all have sheets that we will be getting today called our Reading Learning Intentions. And on that sheet, it has a box that we're filling out every day. So today, we would be looking at this box, and on each day, we would write the date. And today is 9/9, so I'm going to write that up here. The book I am reading today, and I have that over here. That's Bridge to Terabithia, so I would write that out. And our reading intention over here. Today, as a reader, I am working on. And we're going to be working on really taking our time to think about what can we fill into this box and what is our purpose for reading today. To help us be able to choose those learning intentions for that final box, each unit you will be given a sheet that has some different reading intentions that you can really focus on for that day. This unit is following characters into meaning, so we'll really be looking at our characters in our book. Here's the list of the choices for this unit. As I read, I'm going to make a movie in my mind and revise it when I read new details in the story. As I read, I'm making predictions about what has yet to happen in the story. As I read, I'm looking for how my character interacts with others. As I read, I'm looking for traits that describe my character. As I read, I'm looking for feelings my character has experienced. As I read, I'm looking for what makes up the physical setting. As I read, I'm looking for times that my character acts out of character. And finally, as I read, I'm looking for lessons the author is trying to teach me, or in other words, the themes of the story. So now I can use this sheet to help me write down, today as a reader, I am working on. And I know that in my book right now, I'm learning a lot about the characters, so I think that today I'm really going to focus on this one. So I'm going to write, today as a reader, I am working on looking for traits that describe my character. Now I know that today as I go back to my seat, I'm going to be reading Bridge to Terabithia, and I'm really going to be focusing on looking for traits that describe my character. So I really have a purpose to what I'm doing at my seat today. And in order to show that I was working on that learning intention, I would need some sort of evidence for that. So I might be working on writing sticky notes or jotting on a page in my notebook, but I need to have some evidence to show that I was working on that learning target. Filling out your reading learning intention sheet is something that you're going to do daily. So we'll keep this along with your reading intentions sheet that gives the different choices in your binder. You're going to open up your binder to the characters section, which should be the first section in your binder, and we're going to first place this reading learning intention sheet, and then right behind it, we're going to place the example sheet so that every time you open that binder, you can come to these two sheets and be able to fill those out, because we are going to be filling out these reading intentions every single day before we go off and do our work. So after you put these two sheets in your binder, you can go ahead and then fill out that first one for today. When you are done, a teacher will dismiss you to your reading spot so that you can get started reading for the day and working on that learning intention. Make it a great day, readers.